Ipagpaumanhin po ninyo higit lalo na sa atin pong mga taga-subaybay. Biglaan lamang ang ginawa kong panooring ito kung kaya sa mga humiling na gawin kong Tagalog ay patawarin nyo ako dahil sadyang mahirap po sa ganang akin ang pagtatagalog. Nakatawag ng aking pansin ang naipadala sa aking ito na inyo pong matutunghayan maya-maya lamang. Sa mga unang segundo pa lamang ng aking panunood ay agad akong nabahala. Sa aking opinyon, nararapat lang sanang mabigyan linaw ang mga nasabi ni Ginoong Libayan upang hindi na makapanglason pa ng isip ng ibang taong maaari pang makapanood. Sadyang nakalukungkot na isang abogado pa ang gagawa ng ganito kalubha laban kan inuman.
Title nito, Do Not Promote Violence, RAFFY TULFO, featuring LTFRB Chairman Guadiz. Pero bakit do not promote violence? Kasi nga, itong si RAFFY TULFO nung gumawa siya ng death wish. Okay? Nung sinabi niya na balang isang araw, baka tumaob ka na lang, mga kabatas natin, that is the killing of a person using a gun. Why are you promoting that to your 27 million subscribers?
Stop right there. It continues to amaze me, Mr. Libayan. Despite all the tirades from your camp directed at the senator over time, you have now falsely and maliciously accused him of threatening your life, even though you were well aware that there was no actual death threat, death wish, or whatever ill intent was for you. I recommend revisiting the previous videos I've uploaded to help you gain a clearer perspective. Your judgment appears to be clouded, possibly influenced by your personal grudge against the senator. Then now, you attempted to exploit a recent news report to create an unjustified connection to the senator. It simply doesn't align with the facts. You know, Mr. Libayan, I've heard you bragged about being a trial lawyer on several occasions, even expressing pride in your victories. However, isn't it a fundamental duty of lawyers to uphold truth, fairness, and justice? Providing false information and making unfounded accusations contradict the ethical principles of the legal profession and can seriously damage its credibility. Accusations involving violence and threats can be particularly damaging to a person's reputation, both personally and professionally. It is imperative that any allegations against someone are grounded in credible evidence and facts. Regrettably, you've misused your influence to disseminate false information and engage in smear campaigns, which contribute to a toxic and divisive public discourse. I am confident that many others share the view that you're out of order, and that your allegations lacked a solid basis and were inappropriate. This underscores the significance of adhering to the rule of law and ethical standards within the legal profession. That term should not be directly interpreted as an incitement to commit murder or to instruct someone to engage a hired gunman or killer. Its common meanings are associated with concepts such as overturning, capsizing, defeat, or downfall. It is essential to emphasize that the term in itself does not inherently or explicitly communicate a directive for carrying out a homicide, nor does it resemble a death threat. Instead, it appears to convey a deep sense of emotional distress or hopelessness. To establish a valid legal argument, it is imperative to present pertinent evidence, testimonies, and context to support any claims in a court of law. In the bantering statement, or should I say, playful remark,
Baka balang araw, tumaob na lang.
The implication is that the individual is grappling with an overwhelming surge of negative emotions to the extent that they may figuratively tip over or collapse under the weight of these emotions. It does not necessarily signify an intention to harm oneself or others, but rather conveys a sense of emotional vulnerability and distress. I am beginning to contemplate what your family's perspective might be on this matter. Considering that Tin Magalong, your live-in partner, is a lawyer, I wonder if you are still together and how she views the current situation. Besides examining the broader context, it is crucial to prioritize an evaluation of your mental state when interpreting such statements. It is essential to keep in mind that the bantering statement do not inherently imply a desire for someone's demise, and they typically do not function as explicit death threats or expressions of a wish for death. They are often used as vivid metaphors to convey the intensity of negative emotions, and are not intended to be taken literally.
Hindi maitatangging maling-mali ang iyong paratang laban sa Senador Ginoong Libayan. Higit lalo na, walang kaugnayan at walang katotohanan ang ginawa mong pag-ugnay sa naisaad sa isang ulat dahil kailan may hindi pinagbantaan ang iyong buhay taliwas sa ipinakakalat ng kampo ninyo. Lahat ng inyong sinabi ay pawang kathang isip lamang at bunga ng tindi ng iyong galit sa Senador. Nakalulungkot na makita ang napakalaking pagbabago sa iyo kung saan ay tila mas pinili mong mamuhay na nababalot ng poot, sama ng loob, at kapighatian ng puso't isipan habang maligayang namumuhay ang taong inyong pilit na pinababagsak at niyuyurakan. Dalangin naming hipuin ng may kapalang puso upang naisin mong maging mabuting halimbawa sa iilang mga taga-suporta. Magsilbi sanang inspirasyon ang inyong pamilya, lalo na ang iyong kasintahan at mga anak para sa mabuting pagbabago, nang sa ganon ay hindi manahin ng mga anak ang napakababang pagtingin sa iyo ng nakararami dulot ng mga maling desisyon mo sa buhay.
Ano ba nakatira dito? Oo, bakit? Gusto mo mamaya ng 45?